So they shut down my favorite subway. So today we're gonna make a little memoriam for to remember all the great sandwiches that Subway made me. So right now we're just acquiring things to lay at the memoriam. We got some Lay's chips, my favorite Subway chip. We have a nice juicy Subway sandwich that I will offer to the sandwich god of Subway, so that the Subway demon, Jared, doesn't tarnish the name. Alright guys, so we acquired some more items for the Subway Memeorial. Hopefully I don't get doxxed. I did tell everybody where I was gonna be at what time. We'll find out. So let's go. Here lies my favorite Subway. In there used to be a Subway shop that they made me the best sandwiches. Now the Subway's dead. I want to thank everyone for coming out tonight for my memorial. I invited all my friends. It's cold. Alright, you look pretty shady out here standing in front of an abandoned Subway. Well, get a good shot of me. Make sure, do I look cool?
Look at me.
Please protect the Subway from the Satan Jared. Alright, are we good?
I'm gonna get another shot of things.
Yeah, we should probably go. You look pretty shady. Hey guys, it's me. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. I'm sorry about that Tetris video. A lot of you did not like it, and I'm sorry. Anyways, let me know what type of content you want to see. If you want me to make more Subway Memorial videos or whatever. Alright guys, well bye.